So it's our favorite time of year. It's 2026 Sun and Fun, the 52nd Sun and Fun, and the weather was great, but Saturday it was a little hot. I mean, I think we set a record for heat on Saturday. One airplane I was really interested in was the Fire Boss. You know, you've got this big turbine ag sprayer that's sitting on floats, and I was a firefighter for 10 years, and as a pilot, I want one of these things. I mean, it's just awesome. But then, of course, we've got the Connie showed up this year. There's only a couple, I believe 2 of them flying in the world. This was a quantum leap and kind of a bridge between standard low altitude piston aviation and high altitude jet aviation, where you've got some big piston engines, but you've got a pressurized airplane that flies faster, that flies higher, that can carry more people. What an amazing airplane this was. This particular one here, obviously was a military version. You know, they had an F4U Corsair, a TBM, a Wildcat, all with foldable wings, of course, and just really cool. And then you had Mustang Row, you know, lots of P-51 Mustangs, very popular airplane, popular warbird. They had the QF-16s, which are manned drone aircraft, T-38 from NASA, which is kind of a nice version of the T-38, and of course they had F-35s on display. They had the Guppy. It has been a minute since I have seen the Guppy at an air show. It is kind of awe-inspiring. They started with a cargo plane and completely reskinned it, put the landing gear off a different airplane. I think it's got the nose wheel off a B-52, if I'm not mistaken. But I mean, this thing is literally cobbled together with a whole bunch of stuff they had, and they turned it into an airplane big enough to put rockets and rocket engines in and all kinds of big stuff. Not a fast plane, doesn't fly real high, but man, can you move some big packages. And then of course, you know, one of my favorites, the A-10, a lot of civilian displays, a lot of people bringing their military hardware in. The air show was good. Unfortunately, we had some very high profile cancellations this year. I was really looking forward to seeing the F4 fly, and unfortunately that one maintenanced out. And then I was also really looking forward to seeing the F100 fly, because I haven't seen either of those airplanes fly in a long time. And the F100, a Collins Foundation airplane, had a maintenance issue with the landing gear, and unfortunately they weren't able to get it rectified in time for Sun and Fun. Not sure what happened with the F4, but we lost both of those airplanes. So they found some other acts to fill in, but Thunderbirds, they never disappoint. You know, make sure you put Sun and Fun on your calendar next year. And just a little hint, you want to see it in air conditioning, buy those 927 tickets for Saturday as soon as they go on sale. That day sells out months and months in advance. That is the first day to sell out. I think 927 Club was sold out by November for Saturday. But anyway, great show, great time, and hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see you next year.